Windows play an essential role in every Murray home, providing natural light, ventilation, and protection from the elements. However, without proper care, even high-quality windows can lose their efficiency and charm over time. Regular maintenance not only keeps your windows looking great but also helps extend their lifespan, saving you from premature replacements and costly repairs. Here are some practical window maintenance tips to ensure long-lasting performance for your Murray home. Clean windows regularly. Dust, dirt, and debris can quickly accumulate on glass and frames, especially in Murray's mix of seasonal weather. Over time, this buildup can damage finishes and reduce clarity. Glass. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar to achieve streak-free windows. Frames. For vinyl or aluminum frames, mild soap and water are sufficient. Wooden frames should be cleaned with a damp cloth to avoid water damage. Screens. Remove screens periodically, wash them gently with soap and water, and let them dry before reinstalling. A regular cleaning routine ensures your windows remain attractive while functioning efficiently. Inspect for damage and wear. Seasonal changes in Murray, from snowy winters to warm summers, can take a toll on window materials. Inspect your windows at least twice a year to spot potential issues early. Check seals and caulking. Look for cracks or gaps where air might leak. Examine glass. Watch for fogging or condensation between panes, which could signal seal failure. Inspect frames. Wooden frames may show signs of rot or warping, while vinyl and aluminum frames may develop cracks or dents. Prompt repairs can prevent small problems from becoming expensive replacements. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with hinges, tracks, and locks need smooth operation. Dirt and dust can cause sticking or squeaking, leading to unnecessary wear. Use a silicone-based spray on hinges and tracks. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which attract more dirt over time. Test locks and handles to ensure they open and close securely. Proper lubrication not only improves functionality but also enhances security. Protect against moisture damage. Murray's winters can bring snow and moisture, while summer rains may increase humidity. Excess moisture is one of the biggest threats to long-term window performance. Maintain proper drainage. Keep weep holes, tiny drainage openings at the bottom of frames, clear of dirt and debris. Seal wooden frames. Repaint or reseal wood every few years to protect against rot and swelling. Control indoor humidity. Use dehumidifiers to prevent condensation that can damage frames and encourage mold growth. Upgrade weather stripping as needed. Weather stripping plays a crucial role in keeping your home insulated and energy efficient. Over time, it can crack, peel, or lose effectiveness. Check for drafts around windows. Replace worn or damaged weather stripping with new materials. Choose weather stripping designed for your specific window type for the best seal. This simple step helps maintain comfort while reducing heating and cooling costs. Schedule professional inspections. Even with consistent DIY maintenance, some issues require professional expertise. Murray window specialists can identify hidden damage, test energy efficiency, and recommend upgrades when necessary. A professional checkup every few years ensures your windows are performing at their best and gives you peace of mind. Conclusion: maintaining your windows doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require consistency. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, lubricating parts, managing moisture, upgrading weather stripping, and scheduling professional inspections, you'll extend the lifespan of your windows and keep your Murray home comfortable year-round. Investing time in proper window care not only protects your home's value but also ensures long-term energy savings and lasting beauty.